Hello students, welcome to Saniska English High School. Lesson number 3, playing with numbers of standard 6. See, in this lesson, first topic is our factors. That type of factors, that topic we have already learned a little bit in 5th standard. Then also we'll start our topic, it is factors. See, what is the meaning of the factor? Factor means a number which is exactly divisible by another number. Okay, see one example we take. See, here we want the find of factor of 25. Here we want to find the factor of 25. How can we find the factor of 25? If you want to find the factor of 25, then start divide with 1. See, if you divide the 25 with 1, then you got the answer 1. Then 25 multiplied by 1 is equal to also 25. Or second method, you just remember in which table 25 is possible. In one table possible, then two table not possible, because 25 is not divisible by 2. In three table possible, not possible, because in table 3 also 25 is not, it means 3 also not in factor. 4, in table number 4 25 coming, no. Then 5, yes. Then however 5 5s are 25. Any other? 6 not possible, 7 not possible, 8 not possible, 9 not possible. See, then which are the factor of 25? See, factor of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. These three are the factor of 25. See, in beginning I have tell the definition. Factors means a number which is exactly divisible by itself or its number. See here 25, factor is 1. If you divide 25 divide by 1, then answer will be, it is divisible without remainder. Now 25 divided by 5, in 5 table 25 coming, 5 5 ja 25. The number which is exactly divisible by the number without leaving any remainder, then it is our factor. See 25 then 25. See one more example we take. What is the factor of 12? What we have to find? Factor of 12. How can we find? First see in which table 12 is possible. In first number possible, yes. Then 1 12 ja 12, then 12 is the factor. 2, in 2 table 12 is possible, yes. Where 2 6 ja, then 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. Then in 3 table possible, yes. Where 3 4 ja 12. In 4 table possible, yes. However 4 3 ja, but it is same only, 3 4 ja or 4 3 ja, both are equal. Then these are the factors of our, see you can say in 6 table also possible, 6 2 ja, but see here 2 6 ja already there. We are knowing 2 6 ja or 6 2 ja, both are equal only. Then which are the factor of the 12? Here from we start 1 6 4 3 2 and 12. These are the, you can write this way also, 1 2 3 4 6, 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. These are the factors of our 12. How can we have find? By using the multiplication or division. Both way you can find your factors. Understood? One more example we take. Find the factor of 50. Find the factor of 50. Then 51 ja 50, it always there. Then 2 table possible, 2 25 ja 50. 3 not possible, 4 not possible, 5 possible, 5 10 ja 50, 5 10 ja 50. Now n is not possible, then which are the factor? 1 2 see 1 2 5 10, 1 2 5 10 25 and 50. These are the factors of our 25, 12 and 50. Now see, according this factor we have to conclude some, we have some conclusion about these factors. See which are the conclusion, it is here I have wrote all this. See first thing is that 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. See, if you take any example, then in each case 1 is there. See, if you find the factor of any number, then 1 is always there. It means 1 is a factor of every number. See, 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, first thing. Second thing, every number is a factor of itself. See, here we have find the factor of 25, then 25 factor is there. Here we have find the factor of 12, then here also 12. Here we have find the factor of 50, and here also 50 there. It means second fact, it is every number is a factor of itself. See, it means every number have a 2 factor compulsory. First factor is 1 and second factor is itself. See, in every have factor is 1, 1, 1 and number itself 25, 12 and 50. It is our second fact. First fact is every number have factor is 1, or 1 is a factor of every number. Second thing, every number is a factor of itself. Okay, now third, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor is exact divisor. Divisor means by 6 it is easily divisible. 12 by 3 also it is divisible, by 2 also divisible, by 12 also divisible. Okay, then every factor is less than or equal to the given number. See, here every factors are less than or equal to our number. It means factor is not more than given number. See, here all the factors. See, if you find the factor of 12, then what you get? Maximum 12. Okay, and other factor are less than 12. More than 12 any number is not possible. Then every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Last, number of factor of the given number are finite. Number of the factor of any number is finite. It means every number have limited factor. Every number have a limited factor. See, here in 25 we have a 3 factor, in 12 we have a 6 factor, in 50 we have a 6 factor. Okay, it means the number of factors are limited. Limited means finite. Okay, these are the main basic things about the factor. Now our next topic is multiple. Now multiple. Multiple means simple. You have to do multiplication with the whole number. See, we find the multiple of 5. If you want to find the multiple of 5, then just 5 multiply with 1. What we get? 5. Then 5 multiply with 2. What we get? 10. 5 multiply with 3. What we get? 15. 5 multiply with 4. 5 4 ja 20. 5 multiply by 5. What we get? 25. These are the factors, these are the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. These are the multiple of our 5. It means if you want to find the multiple of any number, then just multiply with 1, multiply with 2, then 3, with 4, with 5. This way you can find the factor. Multiple. See, if you want to find the multiple of 6, then 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. This way 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. These are the multiple of our required number. See, according to these, we have some facts about the multiple. Every number is a multiple of itself. See, here 5, then 5. It means every number. See, 6, then 6. In case of factor, every number is a factor of itself. In case of multiple, same way, every number is a multiple of itself. Okay. Second, the number of multiple of the given number is infinite. See, here you can do multiplication with the infinite number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to infinite number. It means number of multiple of any number is infinite, but number of factor is finite. Okay. Then every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. See, every multiple are greater than or equal to. See, if we find the multiple of 5, then what we get? 5. Then second multiple, what we get? 10. It means every multiples are equal to 5 and 5 are equal, but all the other multiples are greater than our given number. Greater than our given number. See, therefore every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. It means it is just opposite to factor. See, in factor what we have done? Every factor is equal to or less than that number. Here every multiple is equal to or greater than that number. Same way here every number have an infinite multiple but finite factors. Okay, these are the basic things about the multiples and factors. Okay, these all the facts you have to write in your classwork about the factors and multiples, and these things you have to learn in your homework, and one time you have to write also. So, okay, in next session we will start our exercise number 3.1. Okay, thank you.